My name is Chase Booth with Keystone RV Company's Keystone Division. I'm here with Leach Camper Sales of Lincoln. I'm here to show you our new 295 High Country. This is our 34-foot full profile luxury fifth wheel that's warranted for full-time use. Come on, let's take a look. Welcome. So this is our 34-foot lightweight luxury fifth wheel. In the 295, we've got everything that a full-timer would need. You've got your freestanding dinette, power theater seating. As you come back here, you've got a large 80-inch rear sofa with 110 outlets and USB plugs on the outside. As you come through, you've got ceiling fans. It's 12 volt, along with quiet cool air conditioning. The quiet cool air conditioning is amazing because you don't have to yell over it, and it also includes a 16,500 BTU electric heat pump, which is awesome because when it's in the mid-40s, you can totally heat this trailer without wasting your propane. You've got TVs right across from your theater seats, and every one of our televisions comes on a swivel mount so you can aim it towards the sofa or maybe back towards the table or on the cooking surfaces. Plenty of counter space on both sides of your 70/30 sink, and then even sink cover storage down here for your solid surface sink covers. And then back to counter space on both sides of your cooktop as well. Large Furrion oven with lights for your buttons as well as an auto ignite so you don't have to get down and actually light your pilot light. 30-inch over-the-range microwaves are standard in all the High Country product. And then almost every floor plan has a 18 cubic foot 110 refrigerator, but we also do build them with the 13.5 cubic foot RV refrigerators. Each of these residential refrigerators has the French doors, as well as a pull-out freezer with the ice maker tray. Large residential pantry with motion lighting as well. That's clearly not working right now. But there is a switch up there for the motion sensor lighting, as well as a coffee station as well. You've got a plug up here for your coffee maker or anything else that you would like to put down there, and then also a little accessory tray here with another plug for maybe charging your cell phones or things like that. Let's go upstairs. No more carpet, and central vac down here as well, so you can plug in, vacuum the lower deck or maybe even the upper deck up here. So you've got your double entry Jack and Jill bathroom, large medicine cabinet here as well. As you can see, we've intentionally moved the sink over here to the left so that you can get large storage, door storage here, but then also 3 separate drawers down below. Plenty of space around the toilet seat, and then our large 36 angled shower here, so you've got plenty of space around to walk around in here. You've got optional washer dryer prep for a combo washer dryer or hanging storage if you don't intend to use it for the washer and dryer, with plenty of additional storage down here above. Very large nightstand as well on this 72 by 80 or king bed, and then plenty of storage up here. Large windshield to let natural light in, very large drawers for sweaters, things like that, and then additional hanging capacity as well on both sides. And then again, 4 medium drawers with a large drawer on the bottom here right below your window. Let's come outside. So out here, you've got your step above MORryde steps. We've got larger steps on the top, but they're all strut assisted as well. So it's not incredibly or heavy at all to lift these things up. You want to give it a lift? Now let go. Isn't that awesome? So the 3 main things that are my favorite things on the outside of this High Country are the towability, the ease of setup and the use, and the storage. So all of our High Country products come with the Road Armor suspension and pin box. So as you can see up here, you've got the road armor pin box, which is going to help absorb any of that porpoising as you're traveling down the road. We've also got our road armor suspension that's going to give you 6 total inches of vertical travel to just help with any of that road impact or any of the impact that your trailer is taking as you're driving down the road. Come around here. In terms of ease of setup and use, you've got a separate battery door in addition to your generator door. And then you also have all of your convenience center items placed right here conveniently with your hot and cold running water, winterization, low line drains, termination, or your tank releases for your termination, and then battery disconnects. We also have key TV here, which is giving you a color encoded wiring along with a direct home run line from the back of here to each and every single TV output on the inside. The other thing is all your auto leveling controls are right here on the outside of your trailer, looking right over your pin box, rather than inside of your basement up here. I mean, when you're lowering your rig or lifting it off of the truck, it certainly feels a lot better for you to be able to see what's going on inside of the bed of your vehicle. And then the storage. Every one of our Montanas is going to have at least 150 cubic feet of exterior storage. So we've got this big drop frame back here, so you get all this additional height in this heated basement for anything that you need to bring with you when you're camping. So thank you very much. Thanks for letting me show you the new 295 High Country product here at Leach Campers of Lincoln, and we look forward to seeing you out here.